Here is Terra coin TRC. A request for the analysis of this coin was made. I'm on the daily chart. First thing I do usually is to zoom in and out and ideally look for patterns. So here's a downward pointing symmetrical triangle that we can label out. Carve out the outlines of a cup. Although this is not exactly a cup and handle because the handle goes below the bottom of the cup. We can also trace out the Elliott wave counts . One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is basically ABC. And that ABC of the correction can be labeled A would be here, ABC for B, and then the remainder of it will be a C. 5 we've done, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this 5-way down would be, if this is the end of the correction, what I like about this is the breakout. Very nice breakout of the price out of this downward pointing symmetrical triangle. And what I would do now is I would then go zoom into 4 hours. See if I have an impulse, and I think I do. Check this out. And that impulse can be labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what is the first indication of a trend reversal? You get this breakout, and then you get an impulse set of waves. Very beautiful, nice looking, crisp and clean. Now here's A, B, and we can be working on a C. Yeah, A, B, and a C wave could be generated. Now this is one pathway of the correction. And since this is pretty small, well, even in the small impulse, look how long the wave 2 correction was compared to 1. And then wave 2 correction just dragged on for quite a while. This is going to the same thing. This will happen in a similar way, I think. This correction is not going to be quick. So the other way I look at it could be to look for a pattern here. Like this. And once this is done, you should get another breakout. But first, before I put in the next round of projections, I like to see that the price does actually break out of this triangle, because the other, remember the other alternate is A, B, down to the bottom of 4, C. And I would give both maybe more a weight and leaning towards the triangle, I think. And the alternate will be ABC. My primary will be the triangle, and I would expect the price to break up. The direction of the price should be this way. So I hope you found this helpful. I will try and continue putting up updates for the TRC coin. This is to the BTC. Thank you for watching. Have a great night.